Sunday morning story
Frozen.
update. Yeah, I know Frozen.
Do you know Florence
Florence? No, not really.
in the 90s? Yeah, we listened to a story of that.
Okay.
Florence Nightingale.
Yeah!
Oh, Florence Nightingale. Yes,
Yeah.
Papa.
In
So
school.
today we will learn about that story.
Yeah, Florence Nightingale.
So, what about Florence Nightingale? She used to sing very nicely, right?
No, she wanted to be a nurse.
Oh, nurse.
Her
I thought.
parents didn't want her to be because the hospitals in their country was very dirty.
Oh my gosh. Then what happened?
But she didn't give up. She just still went to the hospital. Men were dying, ants were dying. And she also helped them write letters to their families and take good care of them. She also cleaned the hospital with other nurses.
Wow, so she was so kind, isn't it? And she was very, what do you say, empathetic towards other sick
What
people.
does that mean?
What does that mean, Papa? Empathetic?
Wow, Parrot is singing.
Papa, Mishka does not know the meaning of empathetic.
Parrot?
Yeah, come, I see. Come.
Yeah, I think from where? Parrots?
Top of the tree.
I can't see it. It's green.
Where?
Yeah, the top
There,
of the
see?
See?
It looks like a leaf frog. Papa, why did you put a spoon?
We tried to capture that parrot, but it's too far. So, see, it's little blur, but that parrot is singing so well, and we want to really, really capture it.